Let's learn how to add music to TikTok videos. If you ever have a video for TikTok but want to add some music to it and don't know how, after watching this video you won't have that problem anymore. The first thing you need to do is find and open the TikTok app. When you open TikTok, you'll be on the home screen, but you don't need to be there. Instead, you should click on the plus sign located in the middle at the bottom of the screen. When you click on the plus sign, a screen will open where you can either record a video or add a video from your gallery. If you want to record, hold the record button and record, and if you want to add a video from the gallery, click on the upload button. This button is located to the right of the record button. When you click the upload button, a screen will open showing all the videos from your gallery. Choose the one you want by clicking on it, and when you do, a screen will open where the video plays. What you need to do on this screen is click on the red Next button located at the bottom right. When you click the Next button, a screen will open where you can edit the video. On this screen, you click it, a menu will open where you can choose a recommended sound or one from your favorites. You will also have the option to search for sounds. This option is located in the upper right corner of that menu. When you click on that option, a screen will open where you can search for songs. I will now choose a sound from favorites. You select it by clicking on it and then on the scissors icon. When you choose the scissors, you need to select which part of the sound you want to play in the video. Once you select it, click Done, and that's it. You have successfully added music to your video. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.